Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Raviu, and in today's video guys, I'm going to teach you how to download free font and how you can install it on your PC and how you can use it for your graphic, whether you want to use your graphic or you want to use it in Photoshop or you want to use it in your MS Word. All you have to do is to watch step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you can download the font for free and how you can get it installed on your PC. So let's get started. But before I get to the tutorial started, guys, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about graphic design related topic, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly, but not least, if you have any question for me as far as today's tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. I will be glad to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me as far as this tutorial is concerned. So let's get straight to the tutorial and see how you can download fonts for free and how you can install it on your PC. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to a website called dafont.com. So you have to go to www.dafont.com. So here we go, guys. So this is the site. This site right here gives you an opportunity to download unlimited latest fonts for free. Okay, all you have to do is to navigate to the site. When you open up the site, you can browse all over the available fonts by alphabetical or named category. You can click any of these particular points here to pick on any type of fonts you want to download all for free. You can browse by alphabetics. All you have to do is to click on any alphabetic of the font you are looking for and click on download. And lastly but not the least, you can make use of search bar and type in the name of the particular font you would like to download all for free. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download easily without any stress. So let's, for instance, you are able to get the right font you want to download. All you have to do is to come to this point right here. You see where you see download button. So this simply means that I'm going to download this particular font right here, Celebrate. Okay, so I'm going to click on here to download. So when you click on download, it's going to prepare your download folder immediately without any stress. So you can see that Celebrate_Retro C has been fully downloaded. So now let's go straight to my download folder and bring out this font and install it on my PC. Okay. So here we go, guys. So you can see the font is already on my download folder right here. So what I'm going to do is to unzip this folder. All you have to do is to right click on the zip folder. So when I right click on the zip folder, is going to present you with an option. So you have to click on extract here. Okay. So when you click on extract here, it's going to extract all the fonts folder in this particular point here. So you can see it right here. So we have two types of these fonts. You can click on, this is the JPEG format of the font. So for you to install the file format, you have to look for this particular one right here. This is the open type font file, and this is the true type font file. So you can install the two file format on your desktop. All you have to do is to double click on the font folder. So you click on the double click on the font folder, it's going to load up, and then you'll be able to see the interface of the font before you can install it. Right here, just you can see on my screen. So the next thing you have to do here is to click on install. So it's going to prepare your installation right up. So once you are able to install successfully, this becomes disabled, which simply means that you have successfully installed the font on your PC. So you can go ahead and install the second file folder. All you have to do is to double click on the file folder, then it will load up your font appearance. Then from this point here, you can easily click on install. Okay, so boom. So this simply means that you have able to install the two fonts on your PC. So let's see how the font is going to look like on our graphic. So I'm going to make use of my CorelDRAW software to text run this font that we just installed on our PC. Okay. Alright guys, so we are still on how you can download and install your fonts on your PC, and in this segment I'm going to show you guys how you can use the fonts when you are able to download and install it. So right here, this is my Corel Draw, so you can test the font and you can check the font using any type of software. Everything depends on what the kind of software you have on your PC. So here we go. So I'm going to type Celebrate and Celebrate. Okay, Control A to highlight. Then I have to come to the font names right here. So I will search for Celebrate. So you can see Celebrate. Okay, so I'm going to select on that, and I can increase the font size. Okay, let me see, 48, and boom. So I can change the color and do whatever I want to do with this particular font right here. If I go back to internet and see what I download, you can see it's still the same as what I have on my PC right here. And one thing about this particular website is that it gives you opportunity to download as many as possible fonts you need for your graphic or for your artwork. As many as possible you can download, and you can use it for your design. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly hit on the subscribe, click on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about graphic stuff or free tools, you'll be able to get notified on YouTube. Lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to reply whatsoever question you might have for me, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.